Recently, OPPO sent me their new phone, OPPO Find X2 Pro. ना ही मैं टेक्निकल आदमी हूँ, ना ही मैं टेक्निकलिटीज़ के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ. I am not much of a tech expert. But who doesn't like unboxing new things? Let's check it out. आदत से मजबूर इम्पोर्टेंट मैनुअल कागजात को साइड पर रख के थोड़ा सा पेपर ASMR. Front पे 32 megapixel camera and 48 megapixel triple cameras in the back. Looks amazing. Fingerprint sensor ID recognition. Octa-core processor, 12 GB RAM. Fast battery charging of 65 watts that goes up to 100% in 38 minutes. Whenever it comes to phones, one of the main things I look for is, of course, uski video capabilities. OPPO Find X2 Pro has 4K feature and can go up to 60 frames per second. The second thing I look for in a phone is its photographic capabilities. My favorite aspect about the camera is the depth of field, how far can the aperture stretch, how wide can my view be, and how macro I can go. Overall, a nice phone with amazing photographic and video features. Thank you OPPO for sending me OPPO Find X2 Pro.